How to get legendary box in 8 pool ball 5 cash. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So there's no guaranteed method to get the legendary box for 5 cash unless it's a part of a limited time event or promotions. That being said, let's break down all the way you might score one without dropping a tons of coins or cash. So as you know, Mini Clips throws a curveball and drops a legendary box in the store or in a pop-up for as low as 5 or 10 cash. These offers are time-sensitive, account-specific, and often soon after a match or when you open the app. Also make sure to keep your notification on for 8 Ball. These offer disappears fast. Now, you might also win pool cash or even legendary box if you are lucky. Also, if you place in top of your weekly league, you may get cash, legendary box or Q pieces. So stay active during the week. Also play higher tile tables for faster XP and league points. Sometimes when you complete a legendary Q set, the game rewards you with another legendary box. Also note that you should never trust third-party website claiming to give you the legendary box at 5 cash or free. They are scams and can get your account banned. So in this way you can get legendary box in 8 pool. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.